The perimeter of a figure is the sum of all the lengths of the figure. So the perimeter of this triangle would be this side added to this side added to this side, where we see here 4 plus 2 plus 3. So the perimeter of this triangle would be 9 inches. When we find the perimeter of a rectangle, it's a little bit different. We look at the length and the width, and we're going to add both lengths and both widths together. So this formula here shows length plus width plus length plus width. And what we did was we looked at the two lengths, one length, two lengths, and made it a 2 times the length. And these two widths, 2 times the width. So if we're looking at this rectangle here where the length was 10 and the width was 3.5, we can say that our perimeter is 2 times 10 plus 2 times 3.5, which ends up being 20 plus 7, so the perimeter would be 27 inches. In this example, we have the area of the rectangles now instead of the perimeter. So we're going to talk about area, which is the square units needed to cover the rectangle. So all the space inside the rectangle here, that's what we're looking at when we say area. To find the area, we do length times width. So we're multiplying. In this example here, we have 5 centimeters and 2 centimeters, which we're going to multiply together. And when we do that, we end up with 10 centimeters squared, and I'll show you why. When we're talking about 10 centimeters squared, we look at this rectangle, and this 5 centimeters up here, this can be broken up into 5 pieces. This 2 centimeters means I need 2 pieces this way, and if I count the squares, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total square centimeters, which is exactly what I got for my answer. This example shows Adelina's work. The original figure looked like this, large rectangle with this little jut outside here connected. And in order to find the area of this whole shape, we need to create 2 rectangles out of this one, which is what Adelina did here. She added this line right here and made a rectangle here and a rectangle here, and we found the area of both rectangles. So the area of this rectangle was 2,800 feet squared. The area of this one was 450 feet squared, and in order to find the total area, we just added them together so that our final answer was 3,250 feet squared.